Hi everyone, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday. This is Sydney from HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati. And let's see what we got this week. A whole lot of stuff that I had to remember. Okay, the first one is Chocolate Lovers. This is a little different line, but it still goes with the chocolate, cookies and brownies. The next one up here right above us is Midnight Flora. And Denise already bought 4 yards of this bolt, so y'all better hurry up. It's gorgeous. All right behind us is Eileen Woods by Deb Strain. Little mushroom. Look at these little creatures. A little raccoon. Where'd I put my pins? They're up here. Okay, round here. Boop, 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 boop. We have So Wonderful by Paper and Cloth, a full line and the pre-cuts. Caleb's got a lot of looking to do here. The cute little buttons. They're so cute. And I got these planner pins in. The girls don't think they're very cool, but I love them. Be in my bonnet, planner pins. Look at all the colors. Okay, come this way. We have the Long and Behold Carolina Lily by Robin Pickens, the full line and all pre-cuts. I will show you all the pre-cuts. We got back order bundles, jelly rolls, and charms, and plus these 2 patterns. Oh, they're gorgeous. Look at this. I love this. Gorgeous. This is very modern. Modern flower. Does it make sense? We do have already the full line of this, but we did get the pre-cuts in. And if you think I'm going to say that, you're joking. Caleb, can you say that?
La Vie Bohème.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
That's great.
Probably not right.
Okay, we got sampler spree of Maple Hill and threads that bind. Took me a minute. Thought it said bird. We have Beautiful Day and Flirt, the full pre-cut lines. The fabric is not in yet, but we got the full pre-cuts. We got so many little things. We got the new Lori Holt buttons are restocked. Pretty pins are restocked. But look at this, the Riley Blake Tumbler. I know there was a this is the new one. Oh, it's so gorgeous. We have this little handmade zipper pull by, I thought it was So Emma. This is Handmade Happiness, Trinkets and Treasures for Quilters to Enjoy. We gotta open it up and see. Oh, look at those. Cute. And then I'm gonna butcher this.
Utility style.
Quilting for Everyday Living. And this is by Sharon Holland. Cute, modern, love it. All right. Oh, this is what you use your Lori Holt buttons on. All her cross stitch. So that's what you would need that for. And then this is a very unique name. This is called Equipment for some very unique fabric. We're not sure why it's called Equipment, but guess it makes sense in a sense. All right, y'all. Caleb, we good?
I think that's everything.
I think we got it. All right, everyone. We do not have a show this Sunday, but I'll catch you on Wednesday for my mini show. And then our white on white sale is still going on, 20% off all our white on white. So that's all. Thanks, guys. See you next Friday.